Hello everyone, this is Jquery from TUTORIC-SNARE. Let's continue where we stopped on our last tutorial, where we were trying to learn how to create responsive web pages using Bootstrap and Jquery, while we are trying to create a simple shopping cart. So in our last tutorial, we didn't add the Jquery file to our project, so now we have to add it. So let's go to our downloads, copy the Jquery file, go to documents, make this project, tutorial, web, JS folder, then you paste our Jquery file. Then you go to our project. So in our project here, now what we are going to do today, we are going to make these headers active through the use of Jquery. And I'm going to edit this home to make it login, this about us to make it register, so that when I click login, it displays a login form. When I click register, it displays register form. So firstly, I'll have to edit this one, make it login. Edit this one, and make it register. So now I will remove this href, I don't need them. I will only put id equals to, I'll make it log. id equals to reg. Now let me close this tag so that we mess up with the encode. Now I'm going to type div let me comment this one to show you that if the login. So give it the div class row. Get in the div, tap on the div, give it a class, call md 5, call push, call md push, push it 3. The column D push is going to help us to center or position our div on the web page. Now we type form, give our form an action, but the action will be blank for now because we are not navigating anywhere. Then the method will just give it post. Then inside type div, give it class from group, giving div specify label is a login form, so I'll use id number to login. Specify input, then the type of the input be text. Then here give it the ID equals to ID number, name equals to ID number, then give it class form control. So since it's going to be the same thing, let's copy it and paste it underneath. I'm going to edit here, make it password. Then I'm going to edit the type, make it password. Then the name, the ID, make it password. Name, make it password. So let's start this div to give it a color. So set background, make it teal. By default, the text in the div will be white. So not give it this div the ID. We want to give it login. So since we're going to do the same thing underneath, to reduce tab, let's copy this. Make a comment. So register form. And paste it underneath. So now we are going to edit here. So not editing. Just copy. Then add first name. Here let's make it first name. First name. Last name. Last name. Last name. Then change the ID here and make it register. Change the background here, make it brown. So let's test and see if our forms can be added. You can see our form has been added. It's ID, password, first name, last name, ID, password. So now I'm going to make our form to display only when you click here and here. So we go to the bottom of the code and add JavaScript there. So type script. Then give it a type. It will be text or JavaScript. Then type $. Inside comes document dot ready, becomes function, close it. Then it becomes $, double quotes, hashtag, then the ID, the div which forms are in. So we're going to get this one, which is login and register. So we're going to put it here, dot height. So this code will help us to hide the div, or let me say the forms, when the page loads. As you can see, it's login.hide, register.hide. So let's check if it works. You can see the divs or the forms have disappeared. So we're going to make it to be able to display when you click login, then the login form displays. When you click register, then the register form displays. So all I need to do, get here, type $, then you say hashtag, then you give the ID of the header we are going to click. It's log and reg. So now we need to specify log dot click and give it a function. Then you say, just copy these things, copy, paste them here. Then you say login.show, but register will just hide because we only want to display the login form. Then you copy this one, paste it underneath. Then you say reg.click. It will hide the login form and it only show the register form. So let's test it. You can see I click the login, then the login form displays. I click the register, and the register form displays. That's all for today's lesson. What you can do, you can follow my tutorials on YouTube, like them, and you can be able to know a lot about programming. Thank you.